Hi, I'm Colin with today's quick tip. Before starting your machine, it's important to perform a daily walk-around. First, always be sure to check your transmission fluid level. Next, take a look at the center articulation area. Keep an eye out for wear in the driveline area. Then, inspect all hoses and couplings, making sure everything is tight and there are no leaks. Remember, don't check for hydraulic leaks with your fingers. Next, check all tires, checking inflation pressure. Look for any damage to the tires and rims, as well as checking for loose lug nuts. Don't forget, the front tires need more pressure than the rear. Then, take a look at the lift arms, inspecting for wear in pan areas. Also look for any signs of leaks in the tubes and lines, or any loose fittings or hose clamps. Next, take a look at the bucket. Look for any unusual wear patterns or cracked welds. Then, examine the cylinder rod. Make sure the tilt rod is not scratched. In our next video, I'll show you the daily inspections for your engine compartment. That's been today's quick tip. Thanks for watching.